right, hi guys, it's Dr. Chelle. Thank you so much for coming to the Dr. Test Prep YouTube channel. Right now I am recording a series to help you be better on the PSAT and SAT using the Desmos calculator. If you already watched my videos, you know that my program directly aligns with Khan Academy. So right now we are looking at Khan Academy's Unit 3, Lesson 1, Ratios, Rates, and Proportions. I've created 3 harder example problems that we're going to go through. If you have my book, I'm on page 39. If you don't have my book, no worries, go get paper and pencil, pause the video, and take notes. It is what it is. All right, let's take a look. A train travels 300 miles in 5 hours. So we typically always do miles per hour like this. So let's just keep that same pattern. We also could do miles, hours, like I did on the easier examples, but let's just kind of follow the label pattern. So we've got 300 miles in 5 hours. If the train continues at the same speed, how far will it travel in 8 hours? So we just keep the same pattern and we want X. Now, you can cross multiply and you can solve, or you can use the Desmos calculator, which is what we're going to do. We're going to hit the equal sign or the division sign, 300 miles in 5 hours. And we're going to do equals. My pen's messing me up. And then we got another fraction. And we have X in the top, and we have 8 in the bottom. And you're like, Dr. Eric, I can't see my answer. Yes. Well, we know our first number is 300, so we got to go big. So we're going to hit this little wrench up here. We're going to change our X value. Let's just go really big to 1,000. And when we do that, there's our answer right here. Bing, 480. It's as simple as that. All right, let's look at our next one. If a map scale is drawn 1 to 2,500 and the distance of the map between 2 points is 4 centimeters, what is the actual distance in kilometers? Okay, so we've got a bunch of stuff going on. We have 1 goes to 2,500, and then we want to first, it wants us to do kilometers, but first we got to figure out what it is in meters. Okay, this should have been meters. So we have 1 here, or now we have 4, and we're trying to figure out our X. So same thing, go into Desmos and set it up the same way. 1 divided by 4 equals 2,500 divided by X. And we just keep scrolling out. I'm going to make it say, instead of this time 1,000, let's make it say 5,000. How big is that? Oh, we got to keep going. Whoa, we had to go all the way to 10,000. So now we know that it's 10,000 meters, but they want us to do kilometers or kilometers. So we've got 1, I'm going to put the meters on top, 1,000 meters over 1 kilometer equals 10,000 meters over how many? Now you're probably thinking, Doc, it's 10 kilometers. It is, but like, you know, let's just, well, we know it's 10, right? 1,000 times 10, if we just do old school 6th grade, times 10 here, 1 times 10 here, will give us 10 kilometers. You could absolutely still do it in the calculator. Let me just show you so you know I'm not lying. 1,000 divided by 1 equals 10,000 divided by X. And you're like, Doc, I can't see it. Yeah, we got to go smaller. We'll go to the home button and back up, and there is our 10. All right, at the most recent football game, 750 fans attended the game, of which 200 were from the away. So we have 750 total fans, and of those fans, 200 were the away team. What is the ratio of away fans to total fans? So we don't need to subtract to find out how many were from the home team. It just wants away to total. So we have 200 away and we have 750 total. Remember, we like to reduce the fractions for ratios, but you just have to type it into Desmos and Desmos reduces the fraction for you. All right, I get 0.26, all those 6's and 7's, so I hit my fraction button and there's my answer, 4 over 15. All right, this has been Dr. Chelle. Now you should go back into Khan Academy since you've watched both Unit 3 Lesson 1 videos, and you should do the Khan Academy practice on ratio, rates, and proportions using the Desmos tricks that I just taught you. Our next video will be Unit 3 Lesson 2, and that topic is unit conversion. Bye, guys.